Most people think they can't grow taller after 18, but that's not true. I went from being 5 feet 7 to 5 feet 11 in just 1 year, and with boots, I become 6 feet. I've seen all the height growth videos out there. Most of them are useless, but some of them actually work. In this video, I'll show you exactly which ones worked for me and can also work for you too. Let's start. 1. Basketball or volleyball. Both of these sports contain jumping, sprinting, and stretching. Everything that encourages growth. In countries like Serbia and China, where these sports are popular, often have taller population, and it's not a coincidence. So play these sports at least 3 times a week for 30 to 60 minutes. 2. Massai Jumps. Maasai tribe is famous for their tall height and powerful vertical jumps. This exercise creates small fractures in the shin bone, which grow back longer and bigger. Do 10 sets of 100 jumps 5 days a week and rest for 2 days. 3. Hanging. Hanging stretches your spine and improves your posture. If you have bad posture, this alone can help you gain 2 to 3 inches. Perform 2 sets of 30 seconds. Do it 5 days a week and rest for 2 days. 4th. Sky reaches. Stand straight and reach your arms up as high as possible. It really stretches your ribcage and spine. Do 3 sets of 15 reps daily. 5. Calf stretches. After any jumping or sprinting session, stretch your calves. Hold both legs for 30 seconds, 3 sets. This relaxes tight muscles, prevents stiffness, and allows better leg development. 6th. Lifting. Don't disrupt your growth by lifting excess heavy weight. Growth happens while resting, not during the training. 7. Diet. You can perform all of the above exercises, but if your diet isn't good, all of it will go waste. So eat foods that are rich in protein, calcium, vitamin D, and take a plenty of sleep, at least 9 hours in a day. 8. Toe touches. Stand straight, then bend forward and try to touch your toes without bending your knees. This stretches your hamstrings, spine, and lower back, all of which help improve flexibility and posture. 9. Cobra stretch. This opens up your spine, stretches your chest, and can make your back more flexible. Do this for 15 to 20 seconds, 3 times daily. 10th. Downward dog. This stretch targets your hamstrings, calves, and spine. Great for overall flexibility. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, 3 times daily. 11th. Skipping rope. Jumping rope is amazing for stimulating your growth plates, improving stamina, and keeping your legs active. Plus, it burns calories fast. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes daily, or as a warm-up before other exercises. So all of these were the factors that helped me grow my height and can help you too. But still, if you are lazy or don't have time to perform everything I mentioned before, then the easiest thing you can do is play basketball or volleyball and take a good diet, because these sports contain all the stretches and exercises needed for height growth. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. And also check out the link in description